Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. To dig deep, it takes tools, torque, and time. Acker Drill Company has the tools and the torque that save you time. Based just outside Scranton, Pennsylvania, Acker Drill Company is one of the nation's largest manufacturers of drilling consumables. This American craftsmanship has earned Acker a spot as a global leader in drill rigs and tooling. Acker's been around for over 100 years, helping customers in geotechnical, environmental, mineral exploration, and civil engineering industries get down to business. Acker's complete line of drill rigs come in all sizes and configurations. They're available in track, truck, skid, trailer, and modular styles. Whether it's for soil sampling, rock coring, driving, or hoisting, all are solidly built for the toughest conditions. Acker invented the well-known Denison core barrel, which takes undisturbed samples of soft material without washing out the core. It's just one example of many custom designs they've developed for customers who need site-specific solutions. Their state-of-the-art facility is jam-packed with the right capabilities to get the job done. Just as important as the right equipment are the hands that put it together. Acker's machinists have hundreds of years of combined experience, and it shows in everything they make. Thanks to core values of high quality, innovation, and superior customer service, Acker is positioned to be around for years to come. Find out what they've got in stock by visiting their website at ackerdrill.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.